Gadget Pizza Ranch. No. Basketball games. Past the Fleet Supply. Past the Giant Pothole. Past the bank and the parties. And Hobby Lobby and a bunch of little stores. The BB gas station. Past Walmart. Past the Tractor Supply. Past the Dollar General. And the Auto Zone. The cemetery. And the Comfort Inn. And the Home Depot. And the Dock Shop. And the Wickersham Jewelers. Eagle River Cabinets. Cellcom. Start Nails and Spa. Duncan. Aldi. I always thought it was Aldi's, but I guess it's Aldi. Can't say them all. Past the Rain Car Wash, past the Vita Dialysis, past First Forever, past O'Reilly's, past Maurice's, past Verizon, past Anytime Fitness, past JP Nails, past Flexible Finance, past Bob's Power Center, past Casa Mexicana, past Car Wash, past the Kohl's and Sephora, past the Express Care, past the Sherwin-Williams, past the Northern Grounds Coffee Shop, Smoke Shop, Gowie Title, Broker's Bar, Stein's Liquor, Laundry Lobby, Bug Tuzzle, the Habitat for Humanity, the Peking Chinese Restaurant, past the DQ, past Rhinelander Dental, past David Shipler and Associates, past the Chris, past Clark, Culver Franchise, past Hodag Auto Credit, past Rhinelander Memorials, past Domino's, past Shore West, past Hodag Store, past the Auto Value Auto Parts, past the Metro, Hodag Square, past the Redmond Realty Group, past the Insurance Center, past the Oriental Kitchen, past the Burger King Associated Bank, we gotta stop at Circle K.